Hello, in today's video, I'm going to go through the 4 reports that I find most useful in Xero. So to access the reports, you can go to accounting, and most of the ones that I will access, in fact, all of the ones that I find most useful are here. But you can also click on reports, which will take you through to the full report section and gives you absolutely loads of different reports. So my top one that I look at most often is the profit and loss report. And for me, what I find most useful is to look at this on a monthly basis. So I will usually click this month and then I will compare it with how many other months there are in the current financial period, which for me is 2. And then press update and it will give you a summary of your profit and loss for the last 3 months. So you can have a look and you can see if there's any trends. And if you run this report over a longer period of time, you can see if there's any months where you didn't do so well, any months where you peaked. And at the bottom, you will see your profits. The next report that I like to keep an eye on is the aged receivables summary, because this will tell you how much money is owing to your business at a particular point in time. So select today. And as of today, there is over £20,000 that is owed to the business, which is quite high. So I would probably want to look a bit deeper as to why City Limousines haven't paid that £250 from 2 months ago, and I would follow with them over that and probably these ones as well. The next report is the age payables summary, and this is very similar, but this is the invoices, the companies rather the suppliers that your business owes money to at a particular point in time. So the total amount is 8,837, and you can have a look here and it will flag up if there is anything that perhaps you've forgotten to pay so that you can sort that out, because we don't want to be upsetting our suppliers. The final report, which is really important, is the balance sheet. And what the balance sheet is, so if we go to today's date, what the balance sheet is it's a summary of the assets, which is this top half, the assets owned by the business. So this is all of your equipment, and it is also things like the money in your bank account. It could be your petty cash balance would be in there as well, and your accounts receivable, which is the money that customers owe you. And it then has your liabilities, which is the money that you owe to suppliers. I have no idea what that historic adjustment is. Expense claims that you haven't yet paid. It could be that. It could be things like PAYE or corporation tax that you owe to HMRC. And it could also be things like bank loans. And this section at the bottom is the cumulative profit and loss of your business, with any dividends would be deducted from that. And this figure here will always agree with your net assets. And in an ideal world, you always want to see a positive figure here. If it is negative, it means that you have more liabilities than you have assets, and that is not a good position for a business to be in. So they are my top 4 reports in Xero that I will look at on a regular basis. I hope you found that useful. And if there's any other videos that you would like me to do, either around Xero or just around business finance in general, then please drop me a comment in the comments below. Have a good day. Bye.